For me, the most important values for children and youth is right to education, because each and every child needs to be educated so that he or she can make a future for herself. Thanks.
Right of education. If somebody wants to learn other verse,
yeah, we have more conflicts in our school, most of students. For example, when we go to visit in different schools, we are going to find each student have not dressed uniform, others they are being dressed uniform. And the student which have the school uniform, they starting going to other students which do not have the school uniform. So we have so many conflicts, and other my friend will be added.
So common in our country in the way that children are forced to go into markets whereby they sell and earn money for their families.
Sidose kapena kuti siwose magolo amene angakwanitse kuwapatsa chithandizo ana mofanana. Imapezeka zakuti nonse mukupita sukulu imodzi muliso klasi imodzi. Ndi anthu ena anabadwa osauka, ena anabadwa olemera. Imapezeka zakuti anthu ena amene anabadwa olemera ali ndi zinthu zowayenereza kupita sukulu ngati makope, peni, chikwama ndi zakudya.
This question I can say no, because we are coming from different families. And you mentioned magic and Jonathan, I mean, tajogera mabando sana siana. I mean, some of the school, because I'm a private school, I'm a school above. I mean, I'm a school, I'm a Kazunarina, the organization, Kabina, but jogger, my family is not.
Others they do business, others they work, because the source of income is different. Also students, they have a different access to school in terms of materials, even the school which are
wampeza mwana abeseka ndi mzako ndi kuchita umafuna kuti chimene zako ali nachocho ukhale nacho iwe.
In our school, children are discriminating each other because of their religion and their culture. Maybe someone is a Muslim and a Christian, so there is conflict between them because of their culture, maybe their religion. So this has to be stopped. Thank you.
Balma big sociana ena mabika Uislamu ena da Kristu dawa mzee zori Kristu agamaya ndi Islamu Islamu amalowelana Islamu ka Kristu amalowelana sa Kristu kakundi bama mzee zori ayamugangana
Nodi fair na ndacho kulera mawa osati ndikafuna